Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you want to remove footer in Divi WordPress theme, here you can see this is the footer. So now how we can remove this one? Just you can go to Google and you can type hide footer in Divi. Now you can scroll down, here you can see many websites that offer CSS codes to remove footer in Divi. So we can open this one, quadlayers.com. After that you can scroll down, here you can see the code that we need to add in the footer. Just we can copy this code. Now we can go to dashboard. Scroll down, here you can find out Divi theme options. Just you can go here. After that you can scroll down, here you can see the code box where we can add different type of codes. So just add here code and after that click on save changes. Let's refresh the page. So now you can see the footer has been removed in Divi WordPress theme. In this way you can fix your issues in your Divi theme.